Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to set reminder in Google Calendar. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you need to have the Google Calendar app downloaded. Once you have it downloaded, you can open the app. So in order to set reminder on a specific date, what you want to do is you want to click on the plus icon at the top right and then choose reminder. So basically, you will be able to name what is like the title of the reminder and then add the note for that reminder. You will choose the date that the reminder will appear. So let's say if I choose it to be the day after, then the reminder will pop up the day after. And you can also choose if you want it to be repeated or not. So once you've done that, you can click on add and the reminder will appear on your calendar. And that is how you will be able to set reminder into your Google Calendar.